Fuck recipes, you're a better cook than you think, and eating Chipotle every day won't make you a millionaire. Learn to cook. Crunchy, green papaya salad, one of the greats. Steady in crunch and also umami that we're gonna use in the dressing. For the crunch, green papaya, best shot as an Asian grocer. If you can't find that, cabbage works. Now we move on to the dressing. It's like a little mini dish within a dressing. Sweet, we're going honey. Palm sugar is probably more traditional. Any sweet that you got, date syrup, sugar, whatever. Heat, I'm using Serranos. Probably should use Thai chilies. Not gonna use them. You can use hot sauce. Aromatics, a little bit of garlic. You could toss in ginger. Umami, most accessible, fish sauce. If you go to Thailand, you're gonna find little river crabs or little patty crabs. You're also gonna find toasted shrimp, lots of big umami, that stinky, stanky funk, fish sauce. This is a fun vinaigrette because it's actually a water base. So you're basically gonna add your water and then you're gonna balance it with these elements. Just kind of taste as you go. Things will start tasting nice. Make sure there's a little bit of acidity, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of funk from the umami. You'll figure it out, promise. Herbs, big part of this salad or any slaw. Fresh herbs brightens everything up. I've got Thai basil and I've got cilantro. Let's make it. Life is beautiful, cooking's beautiful. It's a lifelong skill. You'll use it forever. Just try it, get started, fail, experiment. You got this.